What's up, guys? I'm coming back at you with another review. So about a month ago I started my switch over to Apple. Started with the iPad Pro 12.9 and then I quickly fell in love with that, so I got the Apple TV 4K. Then I got the iPhone because that's kind of what ties the ecosystem together, is the iPhone. And I'm going to be doing another video that has to do with my switch to Apple and all the things I switched to and my experience and why I did it. So that'll be a video I'll make shortly after this one, but my almost complete Apple setup is here. I'm topping it off with an Apple Watch Series 3 42mm stainless steel with the Milanese loop. Very nice. I had an Apple Watch previously, but it was the first one that came out, and the coolest thing about that really was just having the Apple Watch, because no one had it at that time. I actually wasn't crazy about it at that time, but I found some uses as I got older for a smartwatch. So let's jump right into the packaging. That's really nice. You just kind of open it like so, and move all that to the side. So yeah, nice box like you can expect from Apple. Slide the top off. Well, you used to get a plastic box inside with a felt interior and a magnetic case and everything. It was quite nice. But yeah, this is also quite nice. I mean, I'm not going to complain too much about the packaging. This is definitely a nice timepiece, nice watch. So let's set that off to the side. This is a pretty... So Apple's been going more biodegradable packaging that will it's recyclable and whatnot, instead of using a lot of plastic, which is nice, but that experience was nice too. So that's just a big thick piece of compressed paper. In here you have some text, some literature. Welcome to your watch, different things like that. If you've never used one, you might want to take a look at that. It's been a while since I used one. Since I switched to Android, I actually have been using the stainless steel S3 smartwatch, which I'm going to be doing a comparison. I expect the Apple Watch to be better considering the different price ranges. That's about $350. This is about around $800. If you look in here, you have your power brick, just your regular, normal, small power brick. You shouldn't need a big one to power the Apple Watch. Not a very big electronic, so I'll set that off to the side. Got your 1 meter long charging cable with the stainless steel, as opposed to the plastic you get with the sport models. So that's the very nice, very nice. I kind of wish the whole thing was polished. The back's not really polished, it's kind of brushed stainless. But this is definitely polished, very, very nice. Definitely a nice touch to that charging cable. Now, I did have some questions regarding the box. You get the square box with you used to just get the square box with the additions and the stainless steel ones, but now you even get it with the sports only when you order the loop sport bands, because you can't actually lay those flat. A lot of people are confused, thinking that everybody gets the square box, but you still do get a long skinny box if you get a aluminum model with the rubber sports strap, because that can lay flat. So that's covered. So one nice touch is the red crown, which some people don't like. I like it. I really do like it. This has got a much more premium weight to it than my Gear S3. I mean, this is bigger. I'm always worried about the size of the Apple Watches. This is definitely bigger. But I mean, there's plastic on the bottom. It's just not a as quality as the Apple Watch. So definitely something to keep in mind. Let's get her unwrapped. Okay, very nice. Same thing with this. The actual flat part is just brushed stainless, and the edges are polished, which is very nice. I'm excited to be using a actual shiny watch band, because you don't get very many replacements with this, and all you get is the leather. So kind of a bummer. But you get a lot of bands options with the Apple Watch. I actually have one coming today, so I'll be doing a video on that too. So very, very nice. As you can see, the quality is just 100%. It's all there. Yeah. Loosen it up and try it on. So yeah, the size is actually quite nice. I was worried it was going to be small. This is the 42, so it shouldn't have been small, but I was still worried. I had the black Milanese loop with my first Apple Watch. That was just a sport, but definitely a nice feel. Overall, pretty nice. A little smaller than what I'm used to, but yeah, I can definitely get used to that. Much more premium build quality than what I'm used to too, so I cannot complain. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it off, and let's use this as a little table. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to do a more in-depth review later. This was just kind of a little look at the watch, an unboxing. So there it is, Apple Watch Series 3, stainless steel with Milanese loop. Highly recommend this item, even for the price. I would not recommend going with the edition with the ceramic. I mean, the black one looks like a sport, and the white one, it doesn't catch the eye, kind of like this one does. So that's it for right now. I'll be back with more videos later. I have a leather watch band coming today, so I'm excited for those things. Have a good day.